Right, ready? Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Ngalinda here, and I'm a marketer and a YouTube fan. Okay, I love marketing, all things YouTube, Google, etc. So I'm here at ClickFunnels. I'm walking along, going after the restroom, leaving my girlfriend behind, just running to the restroom, and I bump across a guy I've seen on YouTube ads a lot, right? And you know, as a fellow marketer, you would think you'd be a competitor, but I value people who are doing good stuff. So I stopped and I thought to myself, wait, is that guy? And I'm like, the guy looks the Pakistani Indian. I don't know, but then I saw the logo and I was like, the face, the logo, it has to be him. So I just stopped Ozar, and then he said, yeah, who he was, blah blah. And I was like, oh my God, I love your stuff. Now, psychologically, I'm not really here because I'm trying to go to the toilet, but subconsciously, my mind is active, and it remembered something that happened in the past. That's why I was able to stop. So it just goes to show you, I seen an ad on Offside. I don't know him personally, but I've seen his ads multiple times, and they've always been like giving value and tips to the point that I respect him, that I see him as a celebrity. In real life, I've seen him from YouTube, which is like TV, and as a celebrity. So if I needed to buy what he was selling, or perhaps I want to train my team, and he's already spending his own money and he's getting a good 4x, you know, I'd easily just pay him to train my team instead of me trying to waste time, etc. So unbelievable. It shows you the power of marketing works, and more importantly is what he said is all about the not getting the conversion straight away, but knowing that you're getting the impression. And that's thinking long term. That's thinking like the Grant Cardones, like, you know, people who are really building a long-term business, not trying to get a quick buck. So he's putting his own money to get visible and get a lot of people into his Ethereum, and then from there he's then guiding them to buying what they need from him. And the stuff that he does, it works. Trust me, I should be a competitor. I do YouTube ads, but he stood out to me, and I'm looking up at him and asking questions. I'm like, dude. So deadly. Everything he says, it 100% does work. So congratulations, and keep going with it. Okay, check out like a boss.